Hi guys, so sorry for the voice. I've been recovering from a flu, but I'm a bit better now and I hope that you'll hear me okay. So today I've decided to tackle our dining room. This has really been an area where everyone has just been dumping anything that they don't know where to put. They've just dumped it in this room and it's just become a disaster. So I've decided that I just need to jump in and get this done today so that we can all feel better and that this room can actually be functional for the first time since we've moved in. So first thing that I had to do was just sort out everything on this desk. So I just organized it into things that I can throw away and things that I just need to keep and put in the right places. And then there were also some random little things that you will see. There's a little box in front of the mirror which I've actually just placed all these random little things that doesn't really have a spot for at the moment. I've placed them in there and I'll deal with them at a later stage. So all the furniture you see in this room is actually heirlooms, and I just love this unique space where everything tells a story and has history behind it. I find that really special because we don't have many furniture like this in our house. The other thing that I did was there was a lot of mail and personal documents that were dumped on this table that I just needed to sort out. And seeing that this was already getting organized, I decided just to tackle all of our paperwork in one go as well. So I got everything together. I went through all of our files and just checked that there was nothing that I needed to take out there that is outdated. And once I was happy with the files, I started getting into the piles of paper that I needed to sort. I made a pile for Niku and myself, as well as another pile for any documentation regarding Jaden. You can see these files need to be replaced. I'll do that as soon as I can get to a shop that has some files in stock and I can get these replaced. They've been with us for years, so they really need to be replaced. On the right hand side you can see I started with a pile of things that I can throw away and get rid of. And it was really satisfying to go through these papers and just get rid of most of it.
If I woke up with you by my side, that's all that I need. It's you inside of my head and all of my dreams.
I hope that this video has inspired you today and it will help motivate you to deal with your own dreaded projects that you have been wanting to get for a while but just haven't had the strength for. I hope that this will help motivate you to get started on those. If you are new here, welcome. I make mommy day in the life videos as well as organization, cleaning and DIY projects. I make videos for all of those, and if you think that you might like something like that, I hope that you would join my channel and that you can become part of our community.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth.
Please remember to press the notification button to see when I release a new video, and I hope that you would comment and tell me what projects that you are busy working on or planning to work on, and I will see you guys for my next DIY home project at the end of next week.
If